Welcome back, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, the news says Imo Judgment Review. Again, Ihedioha begs for adjournment. Yes, now the thing when the news they tell us, they say Ihedioha now. The news says sack governor of the Imo states and his party, when be the People Democratic Party, PDP, say again, say they don't come out. Come ask the Supreme Court, say, may they adjourn their hearing to a later date. Una no say then do one thing, what they call the application for a review of the court judgment. When they take sack, that man they call Ihedioha. So they say on Monday, the news say on Monday, when they can call the lawyer, in name, that lawyer in name na Kanu Agabi na son, according to the one that they call him there. In contact say the first and second respondent, that is the Hope Uzodimma and Emeka Ihedioha. That is Hope Uzodimma of the People Democratic Party and Emeka Ihedioha of the PDP. Say all of them. Say one of them don't serve each other paper. Say make the court take adjourn the matter. So the man when they call Agambi come pray the court say may them adjourn the whole matter according to the way when them put them here till on Tuesday. So the case go return to the court on Tuesday for their fake hearing. The lawyer to Uzodimma and the APC, in name na Damin Dodo na son too, in don't admit say in serve Agambi later. Okay, don't serve them later. You know, talking about okay, this matter make we just adjourn them till on Tuesday because they never they ready for the look. The fraud when they down Nigeria not be smarting. Then they come they tell us now they serve paper, they not serve paper. All this now the way when they want to take manipulate on our head. Now manipulation then they manipulate. Forget about say this one serve paper or the other one not serve paper or court adjoin or court not adjoin. All these things now wayoting when APC and PDP that they do. Okay, I say. In fact, the lawyer to the Independent National Electoral Commission will be the INEC. The man named na Tenimu Inuwa na still son. Now he can they object. Can they say no? This adjournment say not supposed to be. Say that we don't they ready to hear the case on Monday when be today. But the Chief Justice of Nigeria when be Abraham Tanko Muhammad. Now he can lead the court with the 7 main panel. Now he come to adjourn the matter until March 3rd, 2020. Tanko Muhammad still there. This and Tanko Muhammad not being talk saying I hope of the man win. Not being can remove Emeka Ihedioha. I can't still say I hope the same man again now. So which kind of country will they live, ladies and gentlemen? Which kind democracy are we into? What kind of judges and justices do we have in Nigeria? The same man, when INEC talks Emeka Ihedioha and win this election, this man go overturn the election, the verdict. When the talk say the other man win, come carry and give Hope Uzodimma. The same man again now, the case they in hand again now. Now he wants to review the matter. The same Tanko Muhammad, a Northerner. So I just wonder the kind mago when did that country they call Nigeria. So if in they agree now, say may they review the case. Now be say in not the show of his judgment too. Now be say himself not know what in do in go talk say na Hope Uzodimma win. Because already now the man na the Chief Justice of the whole thing in that country. So which sense now can they make? Now say the same man again won't come back again, can they review, waiting in don't come tell Nigerian people say now this person win. When the person don't win. Somebody won't come out fourth, you say now I come out first. So for the people of Imo State, the only thing when I get to tell them is say, make una forget about this APC and PDP people. Make una embrace this Biafra. Make una embrace IPOB, embrace the agitation of this Biafra. Forget about APC and PDP because this one our time wasted. This one are wasting of time. Make una forget about this APC and PDP because these people then go swallow all of una head one after the other. Una never know what una they do. Okay, then position two caliphate for una. Then position two terrorists for una. Then position Atiku Abubakar. Then position Jubri Al-Sudani, aka Buhari, or Buhari, aka Jubri. Position these two people. Una still they drag these two people. Waiting be the difference between Atiku and the other man when they call Buhari. When una they embrace these people. Now, hope of them man won't come build caliphate in Imo State for una. So that then go round all of una up. According to waiting Nnamdi Kanu, don't tell us again. So ladies and gentlemen, we go come back there. Make the news tell us say he here have versus. Also the man Nnamdi Kanu tell Supreme Court what to do. Now be this one. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra when be IPOB Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't come and come to tell the Supreme Court to nullify the election of Senator Hope Uzodinma as Imo State governor and make them order for a fresh gubernatorial election or a fresh governorship election in the state. That is how it is supposed to be. Because this thing will bring trouble. That first time when they nullify this thing, I don't tell you say Buhari won't bring crisis in the southeastern part of the country. Buhari won't bring war between the Igbo people. Buhari won't bring war in Igbo lands. I don't tell you this thing before. So the best thing to do now to nullify this thing and make them order for fresh elections so that international observers, if they won't come, make them come in to make them come wait in the matter so that everything, they will see how everything, play out. Then at the end of the day, they will still call a fresh result. If the other man still they ready to contest to, how fine. So it is better than say, now they talk so now won't go Supreme Court to review. This thing will bring a serious problem to Imo State people. Make una nullify the election or the election result, then order for a fresh election. That will be the best alternative. But when they come out now, they tell us on one review. What are you reviewing? The same thing when the same incompetent CJN don't come talk saying that Hope Uzodinma win. Whereas Hope Uzodinma don't win anything. Ladies and gentlemen, we know they support Emeka Ihedioha. We know they support Hope Uzodinma. We know they support APC. We know they support PDP. But as they matter day, na so with the Nyana. How they go say they won't review? The same man when talk saying that Hope Uzodinma win. Now still they champion the same thing because of their hidden agenda. So Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, in a broadcast via Radio Biafra on Sunday, when be yesterday, now I talk say. Now come the talk say the only thing that will solve the problem be say them do another fresh election. Because anything when the CJN or the Northerners go impose give the Imo State people is unacceptable. In context, that is the Supreme Court or whatever that they call them. Them have to respect the wishes of the people of Imo State. Because Imo State now, they don't talk, say, they don't want Hope Uzodinma. They don't vote Hope Uzodinma. All of us said yesterday when they protest. They talk, say, they don't want Hope Uzodinma. They don't want Hope Uzodinma. So, the best thing what they're supposed to do, according to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, now for them to order for a fresh election. So in come the talk say in they won the whole world. And again in come the talk say in no know who Emeka Ihedioha be as well as Hope Uzodinma, all of them. So in on when in the talk be say the only way to go about this matter now for them to avoid the problem in Imo State, the only way now for them to cancel the whole election result and then go order for a fresh election so that things go they normal in that state what they call Imo State. In contrast, say the only reason when we say the federal government they do all this thing, we say they want somebody when they call their puppet when go they there to perfect their secret plan in Imo State. Meaning, because we don't hear what they happen in Imo State because they won't come build caliphate in Imo State to make sure then surround, they capture the whole Igbo land. You know where they want to do this thing. You know where they want to do this thing according to what in the way when they want to occupy over the Igbo land. So the caliphate is not going to work, and they can't warn again say make them forget about the deceive them, they deceive them with the Bayelsa State result. Because their interest not they in Bayelsa State, their interest they in Owerri, the Imo State capital. So that anything when they're going to do them perfectly to make sure then capture the Igbo people well. Because all the whole fight, when these people they fight, all the whole voting what they do it because of the Igbo people. They want to bring fight. They want brothers to be killing brothers. They want Northerners to come and invade everywhere. They want you not to believe in your own people. Again, another thing when the Northerners they plan to do. They want to bring fight. I don't tell you this thing before. The initial time when they nullify the result. Say na Ihedioha win. I don't tell you say man, these people they want to bring better fight in Imo State. In fact, everywhere in Igbo land. Again, the man when be the Hope Uzodinma, he say Ihedioha's kinsman and imam, not emir, says Uzodinma. The governor Hope Uzodinma, according to what in the news they tell them, they call him Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State on Sunday. In don't come out now, come weigh in on the controversy over the alleged inauguration of an emir in Imo State. In come the talk say the man when come visit them was a imam. Say the man not be emir, now imam, a native of Mbaise and a relative of ex-governor Emeka Ihedioha. So in they tell the world now, say that man when come visit them, when people they claim say now one emir from one place, say not be emir of any place, say now one imam when be Emeka Ihedioha brother or friend or relative. Anyhow when one put them, but na relative they put them here. In they tell the world now, say make everybody ignore that talk. Say not be any emir of anywhere. Say now somebody from Igbo land. Say now imam when be Emeka Ihedioha relative. That is the ex-governor. Uzodinma the nyan this nyanin to clarify when they take the clarify everybody in an interview with the one journalist during the first plenary of the Catholic Bishop Conference of 2020 in Abuja. Now they nyan this nyan, they let the word, they clear the word. Say that man won't come, not be anybody rather than somebody from Imo State. He said he visited when the Muslim people or the Muslim community in Imo State come visit him, say na welcome visit to him, say na welcome visit. Say the new imam, say in a native of Imo State. In can say the man not be northerner. Say he can repeat them again. Down. Say the man na relation of Emeka Ihedioha. In can they talk say him na governor of both Christians and Muslim. He not be only governor of Christians or only Muslim people. Say na the governor of both. He say make everybody, make them forget about, make them not discuss that issue again when they talk, make them shun the matter. Say make them shun the matter, say na one emir. Say na just for them to make sure say them bring division in the society. Now made they talk say na one emir from the north. Say not be any emir from the north. He talk say more people. Say they get more people when be Muslim in the east. Okay? And the more of the Muslim, even all of them were born in the east there. And they don't know any other place apart from that east when they born them. The Muslim people, now so the man they talk. They not be funky, they talk. Now this news now from Punch. Now waiting they make hope of them man they tell on an iPhone kitty see they here, the yan. Okay? You don't tell now see they don't born many Muslim people in Igbo land, most especially in Imo State. And many of them don't know anywhere. See now only that Igbo land where they know. They don't know another place. Now that Igbo land where they know. So see people when they talk this in, they won't just bring problem, they won't cause problem between, in fact, inside the community. See make all of us make we not talk about see now somebody one imam from or one emir from Sokoto or Kano or Kaduna. No, say the man na Emeka Ihedioha brother, na relative, na friend. Funky did not know, but now in the talker by himself. You see, I don't know the reason why Ingo talk say, and I don't know whether not true the man they talk say the Muslim man now when the Muslim man now they call him the Muslim man come visit her say na imam from Igbo land, from Imo State there. I don't know whether not true, I don't know whether not lie, but now waiting in the claim be that. In they say for those of you they claim say Ingo bring somebody from somewhere, say make una stop today yan like that. Say na Emeka Ihedioha brother. So how you go take Emeka Ihedioha brother when you know say when you they feel say Emeka Ihedioha na your enemy? If they claim say this imam now, according to what they claim, but now one small question I want to ask this man. Because this man, as you see, I want to know now how politics in Nigeria they play out. As he did so, in with Emeka Ihedioha, they're not a yan. In with a family member, Emeka Ihedioha the same thing, they're not a yan. But in now they come out, they tell us now, say this imam when come visit an Emeka Ihedioha relative. Is it possible, ladies and gentlemen? So if it is possible, make una come tell me on my comment section. Because you know say in don't deal with Emeka Ihedioha. Now in the claim say Emeka Ihedioha are relative. So that place me and they get a little doubt, but I cannot confirm whether na Emeka Ihedioha family or na brother. Now only who pose of them who can tell us. You understand? So ladies and gentlemen, again, for una when they pray to God, not be saying a batin when una they pray or say una they pray the Imo State people. When they pray because they want make the court talk say na Emeka Ihedioha still win. But funky they tell una say all these things what una they do na una be the saboteurs when they that country. All of them they pray that prayer, including that pastor, people when go there when they shout Emeka Ihedioha and hopes of them. Ladies and gentlemen, the only grace when all of us go get in that country be say, Biafra come to pass. This issue of this one Nigeria and of these politicians, APC and PDP, all of them they land us into serious, then go they land us into serious crisis continuously. One day you go see everybody go begin pick up arms in that country because nobody, no trust, no unity, no coming together, nothing in that country because of these two political parties. So the only hope when we get now this Biafra, for Biafra to come. Una they waste on our time, they call Emeka Ihedioha, una they waste on our time, they call Uche Nwosu, una they waste on our time, they call APC and PDP. They are not going to do any good thing for you. The only hope when we go they pray for now this for this Biafra to come, make all of us follow to the agitate this Biafra, because now the only hope and now the only thing when go save everybody in that country. Every head in that country, not be only Igbo land, not be only South, not be only Southwest, not be only Southeast, everybody in that country. Look now, who should they do this 2019 World War election when all of them look waiting they happen within months, few months when they do the election. Within APC government, they take people IDC. Una still there, they call Emeka Ihedioha, they call Uche Nwosu, they call the other man what they call Hope Uzodinma. Does it make sense? And when I know see it get a place when be paradise, when be this Biafra agitation, when all of us supposed come together and fight for it. Una they call it, look at waiting Uche Nwosu and the Hope Uzodinma and the Emeka Ihedioha don't cost una. Waiting APC and PDP don't cost to Nigerian people. Today nobody's happy in that country. Una see they come and they pray prayer. And don't know the God one they call. Instead of una to queue with Mazen and the Kanu, una see they call Hope Uzodinma, they call Emeka Ihedioha. So I don't tell now before say now big fight APC won't cause in the southeastern part of the country. All the whole election when they do in 2019, no one get head, no one get tail. You see they call Hope Uzodinma. You see they call Uche Nwosu and Emeka Ihedioha. The only thing when go save all of them heads, na Biafra. Nothing else. You understand? One love, everybody, and see you next time.